In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn and watch video tutorials for Zoom. If you've ever wondered where to find clear, official guidance on using Zoom, the fastest path is built right into your Zoom account on the web. Start by signing into your Zoom account in a desktop browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation panel. If your window is small or the menu is collapsed, you may need to click the menu icon to expand it. In that panel, find and select Support. This opens Zoom's Help area, which brings together articles, quick start guides, and, most importantly for today, the video library. On the Support page, locate the Video Tutorials option and click it. This takes you directly to Zoom's official tutorial hub. Think of this page as a neatly organized shelf of short, focused lessons that show you exactly how features work. Because these videos are produced by Zoom, they tend to be up-to-date and very practical, which saves you time compared with hunting around random sources. Now, start browsing and look for videos that match what you want to learn. You'll typically see categories like Getting Started, Meetings, Audio and Video, Screen Sharing, and more advanced topics. Scan the titles and short descriptions to quickly judge whether a video fits your goal. Take note of the duration too. Many are just a few minutes long, which makes it easy to learn in small chunks. When you open a video, use the built-in controls to learn efficiently. Turn on captions if you prefer reading along or need clarity on terminology. Adjust playback speed to slow down tricky sections or speed through familiar material. Don't hesitate to pause, rewind, and replay. These tutorials are designed for stop-and-go learning while you try steps in your own Zoom window. If you're brand new, a great path is to begin with an overview video, then watch short clips on scheduling a meeting, testing audio and video, and sharing your screen. If you already use Zoom, focus on specific features you want to refine, like enabling waiting rooms, managing participants, or improving presentation quality. While you browse, keep a simple notes document open to capture settings you want to change later. A quick tip: if you can't immediately spot what you need, look for a search box on the Support or Tutorials page and enter a key phrase like breakout rooms or virtual background. Small wording changes often reveal exactly the lesson you're after. That's it. Open Support from the left panel, choose Video Tutorials, then browse and watch the videos that match your goals. Follow along at your own pace, and you'll master Zoom's features with confidence.